Read Rain Boots for Breakfast by Macaulay Lemon, pictures by John Lemon. On Saturday, Frog woke up the dark grays, and putting rain accurate, he said, "What nasty weather! I'm going back to sleep." Then the hard, funny nose, mumble, rumble, mumble. It was the tummy frogging. What? So what do you think? Frog did what? Did to crawl under the bed. He hid from the nose. Did he stand and he was sing happy birthday? Did the trickle want it was a tone to make him for laugh? Or did he go downstairs to get some to eat? My tummy wants breakfast, said Frog. Put my rubble and was asleep and hurrying downstairs into the kitchen. He got out a glass and some dishes, and he got a napkin, supper, and he set the table. Then he scrambled through the cupboard and the ruffle of something tasty to eat. Now what do you think Frog decided to have? A plate with dry leaves with wheat and with the side. A bowl with cereal and a glass of orange juice. A pair of fried rain boots with a magical mud. A toasted jelly beans with marshmallow wraps. Frog ate up all his cereal and drank all his juice. Delicious, he said. Rumble, grumble, said his tummy. I guess I'm still hungry, said Frog. He got out a loaf of bread and a jar of strawberry jam. He put 2 slices of bread in the toaster and waited into the pop up all warm, golden brown. What do you think Frog did next? Did the smearing jam and the toast to eat it? Did he put it in the sink to see what it would do? Did he tell it's a story, a truck into bed? Or did he use the wipe up the table? Frog was very club and toast and jam. He said and his very time his stomach said nothing. He at least was a quiet and happy. It was quiet and happy. Frog potted his mouth with the napkin. Then he got up from the table. He nearly pushed in his chair. First, all put away the cereal, the juice, and the jam. Thought Frog, what? Then what do you think he did with his dirty dishes? He smiled big through his hair and smuggled. Did he sweep out of the door and dorm? Did he wash them and dry them and put them away? Or did he stack of them a dark corner of the basement? How many pages do you have? Oh, 3. As Frog wishes the dishes, the clouds started to roll away. He dried up them, and he was put them into the cardboard. And the sun came out. And he got dressed. The sky turned a lovely blue. Hurry, said Frog. It's going to be a beautiful day. After all. Then he hurried outside to enjoy the fine weather. The end. I hope you like and subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.